So how do we create a template item in this system? So this example here is a full width image as a background with some spacing in it. What that results in is this image block here. It's responsive and it gives us a height advantage with the piece as well. So now I've built it, I might want to use it in other pages. So the way I now put it into a template is I click on edit this row, and in the top right here I can click on settings, and I can click now save as template. I'm going to call it full width sig image and hit on save. Now if I close, now what will happen is if I want to add it to any page, I can click on the template builder. There's my full width seg image. If I click on it, it will just drop it in down at the bottom there, and then I can move it around, and obviously I can customize it as well. So I could change the spacing, or I can edit and obviously change the image, because I wouldn't want the same image every single time. But what this does is give you a template so you don't have to remember what all the settings are each time. Very useful tool.